Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and I hope you are all enjoying the Bitcoin Cash rise. I for sure am. I have been trading this since yesterday, and so far I threw in $3,000 more or less, and so far I got $1,000 profits after paying fees, after everything, just net profit. So what I did, I traded. So okay, when I woke up yesterday morning, the price was somewhere here already. So when I made my video yesterday, I think I showed this chart, it was around here. Then I went out to do my thing, and then when I came back home, we were somewhere here. So I saw this triangle. If you see these two blue lines here and the black line here on the top, and I saw that it tried to break out once, twice, three times, and then the fourth time it broke. My first trade was here right after it broke out, and then I took my profit here on the top. I got away from this part here. I didn't, I just sold on the very top. I got out, and I only, so then I saw this bigger triangle in blue here, so I only bought when it broke out in this triangle. So I entered my trade somewhere here, and then I took my profit on the very top, because this was exactly the, this part of the triangle. Usually when triangles break out, usually they go up this length. So I put this here, and I set my automatic sell right at $800, because not only was the same length with this part of the triangle, but it was also $800. It's like a psychological price as well. So I actually set my sell order at 795, something like that. I will be sharing screenshots on my Steemit account if anyone is interested to see exactly what I bought and what I sold. Maybe that was like 3 or 4 trades that I did. So I didn't catch the bottoms. I'm not the type of person who wants to catch the bottom. I only enter, like for example, it would have been more profitable to enter here and sell here, right? And then buy here and sell here. I don't do that. I only, because I'm more conservative than most traders, I would say. It's just my style and my personality. That's just how I do it. Even if I miss on even if I miss on some profits, I prefer to do it the safe way. So I bought only when patterns break out, and then but I did get the tops very, very good. I'm good at that, just using support and resistance and Fibonacci lines. So I sold here at the very top, then I went to sleep. This happened during the night, and then I woke up today and we were somewhere here. So I just entered this trade here. As you can see, my profit target and my stop loss. I don't have a stop loss because I'm babysitting, I'm watching it. Of course, if I'm not babysitting, I will always set my stop loss automatic. But my profit target is at the all-time highs, a little bit below as usual, because I want to make sure that my order will be filled. So I don't put it at exactly 800. I put it at 790 something. I think it's very important to have your own plan. Don't try and copy my trades or anyone else's trades for this matter, because if you copy someone else's trade and something unexpected happens, then you're not going to have any idea of what to do at that moment, unless you can contact this person 24/7, which is not the case. If something unexpected happens, then how are you going to react? That's why it's so important to have your own plan that is aligned with your own beliefs. I have my own beliefs about Bitcoin Cash. I have my own beliefs about where the price is going to go. I have my own personality, my own risk tolerance. I know how much money I'm putting here. I'm not putting much, but I don't know how much you're putting. So if you're putting more than that, of course you're going to be more emotional if you see that you go into the red area. So we are going to react differently. That's why it's so important to not copy someone else's trades just for the sake of copying the trade. You need to have your own plan, and it needs to be aligned with your own personality, with your own beliefs about the asset, and your own beliefs about where the price price is gonna go. Maybe I won't be sharing my trades anymore, like not live. It's just not cool, you know. People can lose a lot of money by copying someone else's trades, even if it's in the end a successful trade. You can lose a lot of money if something happens and you don't know how to react to it. I would like for people to understand, at least the people that follows this channel, that getting it wrong, it's just a part of the journey. If you don't get used to that, you're not gonna make money in the long run. It does not matter how many times in a row you get it right or how many times in a row you get it wrong. You need to be consistent always with your plan, with your target profits and with your stop losses. That's the only real key. It doesn't matter if you get it right 90% of the time or only 50% of the times. If you get it right only 50% of the times, but always your target profit is 3 times bigger than your loss, then in the long run you're making money. Even if you're doing bad trades half the time, like 50% of the times, that's a lot. But if you follow this and you do it in a consistent way, you will make money in the long run. That's what I try to put in people's minds here. It's not about getting it always right. It's about being consistent. Consistency is the only key for anything you want to achieve in life, not only trading, for anything. Consistency. So an example, I was trading this part yesterday, sorry, not this part, from here. So this part and then this part, and then this part here. So I started putting $2,500. Then the second wave I put $3,600, and then in the last one I put $2,500. So after I had 2 very successful trades, that it was going very good, it was very easy to trade, or that's what it seemed. So you will, if you have this experience, you get 2 trades successful in a row, you get out at the very top and you make a lot of profit in a short amount of time. The third one, when you see you have another opportunity, your mind will play tricky games and you will want to put more money than you put before. For example, here I put 2,000 and a half, here I put 3,000 and a half, a little bit more. And then in this one I put again 2,000 and a half, I put less than I put here and here, even though I was confident that I was going to make money. But you don't want to be putting more money every time. Like if you have a couple or 3 successful trades, what you want to do is you put less money that time. Even if you think you're the best in the world and you're going to make a lot of profit, this is a matter of numbers. This is a matter of a percentage of the times you will get it wrong, and you never know when this is going to be. So you don't want to be putting more and more money the more successful trades in a row you have. You want to be putting less money the more successful trades you have, because it will come the time when you're going to have losses. You need to be consistent in this. Don't let your mind play tricky games, make you believe that because you've been successful 3 times in a row, then you can do anything and you're going to put all your savings. No, it has to be all the opposite. You need to be consistent with that. Always put as much money as you have planned in the beginning. Don't get too excited because you got 2 trades successful in a row. So these are the types of things that I want to focus to teach in this channel. And really, consistency is the only thing that's gonna make you money in the long run. So that was about it for the video of today, just a little bit of trading education. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please leave your comments below and I will see you soon. Bye.